ورلڈ 11 کرکٹ ٹیم کے کوچ اینڈی فلاور نے قذافی اسٹیڈیم میں پریس کانفرنس میں پاکستانی عوام کی مہمان نوازی کو سراہتے ہوئے کہا
The people of Pakistan for their hospitality this last few days and for the way that they've really embraced the team. We really felt as if we were at home. We've been extremely well looked after and we go home on Saturday with memories that I hope the boys will cherish for the rest of their lives. This tour is another reminder of the fact that cricket transcends boundaries. The way the Pakistani people and the crowds, particularly at this ground, cheered for us at the end of the second game, which we won and beat their national side, they made us feel right at home. We had said that this was more than just a cricket tour. The public showed that appreciation. And the players interacted with the crowds at the hotel and at the ground. And the security agencies proved that they can provide a safe and secure environment. I really hope that this tour will inspire the young people in Pakistan.
ورلڈ 11 کرکٹ ٹیم کے کپتان ڈوپلیسی کا پریس کانفرنس سے خطاب کرتے ہوئے کہنا تھا
There's a lot of highlights and a lot of things that we can take back with us to our different respected countries. And there's a lot of positive feedback in the dressing room of our time in Pakistan. So thank you very much, as Annie said, for the hospitality. The people of Pakistan is very, very friendly to us and we do really appreciate it. So thank you.
After these great matches and
Every specific photo, the guys know how to play together, and I thought
certain things they're taking back home. So for you personally, what was your fondest?
Lotus Lake Towers, a groundbreaking endeavor by Lotus Properties.
پاکستان میں پہلی مرتبہ حالات حاضرہ کے مختصر مگر جامع پروگرامز خبروں تبصروں کے علاوہ دیگر سماجی، تجارتی، ثقافتی، تفریحی، معلوماتی، مذہبی، تعلیمی، صحت اور بچوں کے پروگرامز صرف TNN TV پر.